everyone. Welcome back to today's class. We are going to learn zeros of polynomial. Look at one polynomial is given, that is p of x is equal to x square minus 2x minus 3. పాలినామియల్ ఈ పాలినామియల్ ఇచ్చినప్పుడు ఫస్ట్ x 3 తీసుకోండి. 3 తీసుకొని x ప్లేస్ లో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయాలి. దెన్ -1, దెన్ 2. Okay, now look at substitute here. What is given first to x value? If x value is 3, how much you are getting? P of 3 is equal to 3 square. Now look at that is x value 3 అయినప్పుడు x square అంటే 3 square minus 2 into 3 minus 3. How much you are getting here? 3 square 9 minus 3 to the 6 minus 3. Now look at here 9 minus 6 minus 3 is minus 9. 9 minus 9. So it is how much we are getting? 0. Now next look at if p of x, p of 1. Now take x value as a -1 now. Okay, -1 whole square minus 2 x means -1. Here -3. Now look at how much you are getting. 1 square minus 1 square means 1. Minus into minus it has become plus. 2 into 1 2 minus 3. No, plus 3 minus 3. It is 0. Now look at one more look at. Wait a minute. No. Now look at. Now substitute x is equal to 2. Here x is equal to now. No. P of 2 is equal to, wait. No. P of 2. P of 2 how much? 2 square. 2 square minus 2 into 2 minus 3. Okay, now look at how much you are getting. 2 square means that is 4 minus here minus into plus minus 2 to the 4, it is minus 3. Now when we are comparing here, plus 4 minus 4 is 0, it is minus 3 is left over. So when zeros of polynomial, look at here, zeros of polynomial అంటే మనం ఎప్పుడైతే ఒక వాల్యూ x వాల్యూ ఒకటి తీసుకొని సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసి జీరో ఆన్సర్ వస్తుందో, ఫర్ హియర్ జీరో, ఈ దేనికైతే జీరో వస్తుందో that value we called as a zeros of polynomial. And this, so here also same, here it is not zeros of polynomials. అంటే first look at when we are substituting x is equal to 3. Okay, we are getting 0 now. So p of where it is getting 0, at p of x is equal to 3 అయినప్పుడు x is equal to 3, x substitute చేస్తే we are getting 0 now. This 3 we called as zeros of polynomial. Now look at here -1 also. When we are substituting -1, we are getting 0 now. This -1 we called as a zeros of polynomial. Here look at 2 substituting, but it is not getting 0. So it is not a zeros of polynomial. Okay. Do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.